Alright, today we're going to make the easiest cheesecake possible. I mean, it literally takes you maybe 10 minutes, if that. Okay? Cheesecake to me is my favorite dessert. What's your favorite cheese? What's your favorite dessert?
I like cheesecake, but he likes the cherry cheesecake. I prefer Oreo cheesecake or red velvet cheesecake.
Just make it simple. Just cheesecake, put some cherries on top.
No, I hate the cherry stuff.
It's the fire.
It's disgusting.
Like, you're doing too much.
Disgusting.
Just put cherries on it, you got cheesecake.
Crack up a little bit of Oreos and put it in there. We got us a cheesecake.
I've never made Oreo cheesecake or red velvet cheesecake. Maybe we try that next time. We have to do some trial and error for like the video.
Yeah.
Because I never made it. Because this is dumb simple. It's like 3 steps. And then you're done, put it in the oven, come back, put it in the refrigerator. It's over.
She like what you say. She's trying to get to you.
You trying to eat some cheesecake? Huh? No? No? Remember me? Remember me?
So he's a cook in the house. He cooks the best, and he makes the absolute best cheesecake. So Daddy's gonna make the cheesecake. I'm gonna feed the baby, and then I'm gonna be the professional taste tester.
It's simple. Anybody can do this. Like, okay, let's get into it. Okay, to start, we just need to preheat the oven to 325. Okay, this is pretty simple. You just need 4 cream cheese packs, 2 graham cracker crust, or 1 big one. These are 2 small ones. You can make 2 cheesecakes, or you can make 1 big one. They sell them either way. I like it because you get 2. So, teaspoon of vanilla, cup of sugar, and of course your topping. Of course, I like cherries. You can do strawberries. You can put whatever topping on it you want, but in this house we like cherries. Well, I do. Okay, and of course, and then 4 eggs. Okay, so simple. You want to put these cream cheeses at room temperature. Makes it easier to mix. So all you have to do is add all 4 cream cheeses, add your cup of sugar, add your teaspoon of vanilla, and add 1 egg at a time. So what we do is we add all these, add an egg, mix it, add another egg, mix it, add another egg, mix it, and then the last one, add an egg and mix it. Simple. So let's go ahead and add our cream cheese. Okay, now we have our 4 cream cheeses added. Now we just want to add our cup of sugar. Now we want to add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And let's go ahead and add our first egg. Let's go ahead and mix that together. Now that our first egg is already mixed, let's add our second egg. This is the reason why you want to put it at room temperature, because it'll stick to your thing here. So let's get a spatula and knock all that off. Let's add our second egg. And then mix it. Now let's add our third egg. And then mix. Now let's add our fourth and final egg. You want to let that mix for maybe about 2-3 minutes. Okay, as you can see, looks real creamy. It's good to have a KitchenAid mixer because you don't want as many lumps. If you was mixing this by hand, you get tired and say, forget it. But the automatic, of course, helps with that. But you don't want as many lumps in it from the cheesecake, and that's good to keep it, to have your cheesecake, your cream cheese at room temperature. So this will make, like I said, 2 small ones or 1 big one. So it's gonna make 2 here. So you just wanna evenly put this in each one. So now we have that all set. All we got to do is put these in the oven just like this. You can put it on a cookie sheet if you like. Probably easier to take out. Just put this on a cookie sheet, put it in the oven for 1 hour. You're done after that. As soon as you take it out the oven, let it cool on the top of the stove for like 10-15 minutes before you put it in the refrigerator. Let it chill for an hour. Come back, add your topping, you're done. So let's go ahead and put these in the oven, then we're gonna come right back. Okay, now we got them out the oven after putting it in for an hour. This is what it's gonna look like after you let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Got both our cheesecakes ready. You can put these in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours and it'll be ready, or if you want to eat it quick, put it in the freezer for about an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours. And you're ready to put the topping. We're gonna go ahead and do that and come back and put our topping on and show you the finished product. Okay, now we have the finished product. Added our cherry topping. Of course, you can have any topping that you like, but I like cherries.
They went ahead and finished his cheesecake and it looks so yummy. Big bite. And then I'll scoop all that off for a little piece.
Try the cherries. Just try the cherries. I know, not try them, but just take
I like the sauce of the cherries, but I don't like the chunks. Babe says I smack really loud, so yeah. I'm messy, so.
You like it?
I love it. I love when he makes this so good. So let us know what other cooking, I can't even talk. Let us know what other cooking videos you guys want to see from us. I've been trying to convince him to become a YouTuber. He likes to cook. And he has a couple of things that he likes to do. So I'm trying to get him to come and cook with me. So let me know if you guys want to see us do a cooking segment here on the channel where we cook together. Or maybe he can do it himself. He acts like he doesn't like it, but look at that smirk. He likes it. So let me know what you guys think. You want some hair tutorials?
I'm glad that I ain't lost my hair yet, so I'm good.
But it might come a day.
But one day when you do. One day y'all gonna see this. One day y'all gonna see this fade, and next y'all gonna see some dreads.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends.
Appreciate it. Try it out. Let me know how it go.
Peace up, every time down. Say smooches.
I'm not saying that.
Smooches.
Smooches. Peace.